Most Americans are sitting on the single most powerful investment account in this entire country, and they do not even know it exists. I found out about the Roth IRA 4 years later than I should have, not because I was not trying, not because I was not working hard, because nobody in my world talked about it. My parents did not know what it was. My coworkers had never mentioned it. The people at my first bank never once brought it up. I had been living in America, earning a paycheck, paying taxes, and completely missing an account where the government agrees to never touch your investment gains again for the rest of your life. When I finally understood what I had been missing, I did not feel excited. I felt angry, not at anyone in particular, just at the silence. The way this country hands enormous financial advantages to people who already know about them and says nothing to everyone else. This video is me breaking that silence. If you are an immigrant, a first-generation earner, or anyone who has been working hard in America without a financial guide, this is the most important 8 minutes I can give you today. The Roth IRA, explained completely, in plain English, with every step you need to open one before this week is over. Here is what a Roth IRA actually is, because most explanations make it sound more complicated than it needs to be. A Roth IRA is a retirement investment account. You put money into it, you invest that money inside the account, and it grows over time. The part that makes it unlike anything else in the American financial system is the tax deal attached to it. You contribute money you have already paid taxes on, and then the government agrees to never tax that money or its growth again, as long as you follow a few basic rules. To put real numbers on that, imagine you are 28 years old and you start putting $200 a month into a Roth IRA invested in a simple total market index fund. By the time you are 65, that account could be worth somewhere between $600,000 and $1 million, depending on market performance over that period. Every single dollar of that belongs to you. No taxes owed when you withdraw it in retirement. The government does not get a cut. That is the deal. Compare that to a traditional 401k, where your contributions go in before taxes, which feels like a benefit now, but every dollar you pull out in retirement gets taxed as regular income. With a Roth IRA, you pay the taxes up front when the amount is small, and you never pay them again when the amount is large. For most immigrants and first-generation earners who are building from the ground up, the Roth IRA is almost always the smarter long-term choice. Now here's the part most people never get to because they click away before the video gets here. What do you actually do with the money once it is inside the Roth IRA? Because opening the account and leaving cash sitting inside it, uninvested, is one of the most common mistakes new investors make. The account itself does not grow your money. The investment you buy inside the account is what grows your money. For someone starting out, the simplest and most proven choice is a total market index fund. This is a single fund that owns a tiny piece of every major American company at once. When the American economy grows, your investment grows with it. You are not picking stocks. You are not gambling on one company. You are betting on the entire American economy continuing to grow over the next 30 years, which, historically, it always has. At Fidelity, the fund is called FZROX. It has zero expense ratio, which means Fidelity charges you absolutely nothing in annual fees to hold it. Zero. At Vanguard, the equivalent is called VTSAX, or the ETF version, VTI. Any of these three will serve you well for decades. Pick one and buy it. Do not overthink this step. The best investment is the one you actually make. Here is the one rule you need to know about the Roth IRA. There is an annual contribution limit set by the IRS. In 2026, that limit is $7,500 per year if you are under 50 years old, and $8,600 if you are 50 or older. You do not have to contribute the full amount. You can start with $50. You can start with $20 What matters is that you start, that you make it automatic, and that you leave it alone. Open your Roth IRA at Fidelity this week. It is completely free, there is no account minimum, and the whole process takes about 10 minutes online. The link to open your account is in the description below. Once it is open, put in whatever amount you can manage right now and buy FZROX. Then set up a monthly automatic contribution for whatever you can afford consistently. $50, $100, whatever is real for your life right now. Set it, automate it, and let time do what time does. If this video gave you something real today, hit the hype button right below the video. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more immigrants and first-generation earners who need this information just as much as we did. Next week, I am covering the step-by-step path from $0 to your first $10,000 saved. Real math, real timelines, and the exact monthly savings rates that make it happen faster than most people think is possible.